Really quick before this video starts, if you're looking for some Elden Ring runes or some kind of items from the game or whatever that you don't want to obtain yourself, these guys here will obtain them for you. Shout out to aoeah.com. Their link will be in the description, and use code TBE for 3% off at your checkout. Hey guys, this is the Editor. I'm coming at you guys with a duplication glitch for the game of Elden Ring. This is probably the best glitch you can do in the whole game. But the thing is, it does require a friend, so that's going to turn off a lot of people. If you are new to this channel or new to this video, check out my previously uploaded video on Elden Ring, and that'll take you to a solo rune glitch that you can do. The requirements for it are not too hefty, but they are a little bit annoying. But it is solo nonetheless, so you can work your way up to that if you want to. There's plenty of spots you can do that jump off the map thing. But this right here is just going to be a duplication glitch. I don't have a friend on right now to help me do the glitch for the purpose of showing you it in action. But it's going to be fine. I can just, we can just pretend like I do have a friend here. But all we're going to do is I'm going to be from here. I'm going to start here. It don't matter where you start, as long as it is a co-op place that you can spawn in a person or have somebody, summon a person. That's what I meant. You can drop them anything and you'll be able to duplicate it. Also, another thing that's going to be kind of annoying is you have to be on PC. There's a way to do this on PlayStation. I can't remember exactly how you do it on PlayStation, and I don't have this game on PlayStation, so I can't show you. I'm going to be showing you the PC way, though. If it's possible on Xbox, I have no idea. I've never looked into it, so I don't know if it's possible on Xbox. But the first thing you want to do, okay, you want to get something that you want to duplicate, okay? For example, I have this hero's rune. Let's say I wanted to duplicate this hero's rune, or anything in my inventory, rather. It doesn't matter what it is. Any droppable item you can duplicate as long as someone else can pick it up. So like this hero's rune, for example, I want to duplicate this. Well, your first step is you want to exit out of your game. So just get out of your game in whichever way you can. Now that we are out of the game, you want to wait on it to completely close. Alright, so once the game has completely closed, all you want to do is go to your Windows search bar and type in the % symbol, if I can even find it. Okay, there we go, % symbol, and then app data. I did 2 A's there, % symbol. And then once you do that, click on it and find Elden Ring. Once you do find Elden Ring, click this folder with a bunch of numbers on it, and then you'll have your game saves in here. And when you're in this folder, you want to look for ER0000.SL2. I believe this should be it. I know there's some files in here that have the same size and are named differently, like CO2 file. The SL2 file is what I normally use, where it says 3:05 a.m. was the last time it was touched, and not June 1st. This is probably the main character that I just got off of. So just look at the time and see when you got off of it, and that should, be the character that you want to duplicate your things on. But make a copy of the save. Once you do make a copy of the save, you want to put it somewhere else. For me, I can just put it on the desktop. The desktop is pink again. I don't know why this happens. I make not a text document. What am I doing? Make a folder. As you can see over here, I have like some other game saves from videos I've done in the past. Name it whatever you want to. I'm gonna name it Elden Ring game save for the sake of the video. And once you do that, then just paste it. Now you have a game save that you can copy over. This is the one that we currently just left the game on. Now you want to reboot the game. But once you're back into the game, summon your friend. And now this is the step where you would summon your friend. Pretend like I just summoned somebody and they're standing in front of me right now. What I would do is I would drop them the items that I wanted to duplicate. So I'm going to drop the hero's rune that we were discussing earlier. Or not discard it. Don't discard it. Alright, so leave it on the ground. And I'm going to drop just about all of these. I just used those by accident. There they are. They're on the ground. Okay, that's enough. That's my point proven, I guess. We can look in my inventory. You can clearly see that I don't have them anymore. Right? I'm going to run away from them, and I'm going to close my game right now. So, I'm not doing any kind of crazy stuff. So we're going to quit game, or return to desktop, rather. Now, those are gone out of our inventory, okay? We gave them to somebody else. Now, your friend has them. We don't anymore. What we're going to do is we're going to bring them back, and we're going to have them again, and your friend is also going to have a copy of it. So whatever this is, whether it's armor, why is it still a black screen? Whether it's armor, clothing, weapons that they can pick up, whatever it is, dude, Elden Ring, you guys at FromSoft need to learn how to make the game close properly. Come on now. Once you've done that and you're happy with what you've gave your friend that you want back, go ahead and open that file that we had previously opened before. It was already open for me. And then go ahead and get your old game save and go ahead and just, well, copy it. Don't just drag it, but copy it if you want to do this multiple times. Paste it, replace the file in the destination, and go ahead and close out of those folders if you want to, and then reboot the game. And I will show you that what we just dropped is now in my inventory again, even the 3 little runes that I had used. Alright, now we're back in the game, and we're going to look into our inventory, and as you can see, the Hero's Rune is back, the Golden Rune is back, the 3 Golden Runes that I had popped open earlier are back, and as you can see, my runes held are the exact number they were before I busted those runes. And yeah, there we go. That's all there is to it. If you wanted to duplicate a bunch of Furl Calling Finger Remedies, which I don't advise because getting these is extremely simple, then you can do that. The only things you can't drop is like quest items. See, I can't leave or discard this thing. This is actually the teleporter you need to get to Mogwin's Palace if you do the quest way. But anything that is droppable and pick-upable by a friend, you can do this with. What I mean by pick-upable is some legendary weapons, like a boss weapon or something, for example. I don't know if I have one on me, but I don't know, the Axe of Godric, for example. If I dropped this, someone might not be able to pick it up. I don't know for a fact if that's the case, but it's possible that someone would not be able to pick this up because it's a boss weapon. So that might happen. I don't know. But armor, like this set of armor I have on right now, this is, I think it's the best armor in the game, physical defense-wise. It's, what's his name? Nile, Commander Nile, the guy I hate fighting so much. This armor right here, I believe, is pick-upable by somebody else. So if you have like a friend that's new to the game and he wants a really good set of armor, you can drop this for him, and then he can get it. You can also use this to, let's say a friend has something you want, and you're like, hey, can I get that? I watched this YouTube video on YouTube of this guy showing how to duplicate something. Then, you know, can you do it for me? Can you drop this for me? You know, you could do that, or you know, meet somebody in the comments that has something crazy that you want. Just make sure that you test it out yourself before you start it, because you never know if something's going to go wrong. Like, even me showing you this, you know, you might not trust me. I don't blame you. But go ahead and get on the game and test it out yourself and drop things. Do the little save game method I just showed you. See if it worked, and if it did, then go ahead and try it. I'm not lying to you. It does work, but, you know, I could see why you would be on the fence about it. You know, just like any normal person would be. But your friend would still have it regardless, so it's not like you can't get it back. But if, let's say, it's not your friend and it's some random person, you don't want to get scammed out of something. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. If you guys did like this video, then drop it a like. If you dislike this video, then drop it a dislike. If you guys want to see more videos like this, and go into the sub button, you will see more. On all that stuff, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
LBB, you done did 'em dirty, fool.